I'm not lie, I just reach home. But me have one thing to say before I go to my bed. Walmart, I feel away. I feel away, Walmart. I feel away. I feel away.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome on again, Unstoppable family. So people, though Spice may appear to be laughing and jovial in that video right there, I am quite sure she was genuinely offended by what them do to her in a Walmart. Because no powerful, independent black woman wants to be profiled or judged, all because of the color of her skin. Well, people, Spice gives a little detail as to what happened inside Walmart. I'm going to make you hear right now what Spice had to say, and then we'll talk about it afterwards, right? But before that, if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV, let me say welcome. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Come, we go hear what Spice has say.
But I have to tell you guys what happened to me in Walmart today. And I was so upset. I took my ass home. I showered, did my makeup, and I'm on my way out. But I went to Walmart today. And this is also one of the reasons why I did Black Hypocrisy. Because I felt like the lady in Walmart was doing some racial profiling. Okay? So you listen, and you be the judge, and you tell me if she racial profile my ass in Walmart. Because Walmart, I need answers. I went shopping today, and the things that I bought, you know, the boxes were big. So I ended up using 3 trolleys, okay? I use the 3 trolley and push and reach at the counter. It was just me and my friend, so of course, you know, it kind of awkward for I push the trolley them. And the things them pack up on one heap of things. When we reached at the cashier, it was an older lady at the cashier. I see a lady run come from way over Jericho, the lady there at Jericho. No, hold on, she don't run come yet, you know, hold on. I take out the cash for pay because I wasn't using my card today. So I take out the cash when the woman ring up the something them and the whole heap of trolley and the whole heap of excitement, you know, them frightened. I take out cash because I was paying with cash. When I take out the cash and I count up the money, I see one woman run come from way over Jericho because the customer service part did that up on the opposite side. I see one black woman, a black woman wrote this too at the gate. Don't know, look at it. I see a black woman run come from over Jericho. Excuse me, you know, we gotta check to, we gotta double count. She used one word, me never know it. You come like a them store word. When she try to say the woman alone can't count the cash, somebody else have to count it. Which it has happened to me before when we go Louis Vuitton and use my cash. Somebody else have to spot check. Me don't know what name. Must spot check or whatever they want to call it. We don't know what name. Somebody else have to count the money to make sure when it's a lot of money. So she come and say somebody else have to count the money. She count the money. She not done. She come back again and say they don't have the machine for detect if the money fake or whatever. You know me, I get ignorant now because remember, you know, me stand up at the counter. You know the line long in there because of Christmas now. Because of Christmas now, so everybody I look like what is now. She count the money. Syria, look for the money. I look for the money 40, 50 at time. She just I look for the money, I look for the money, I skip the money and I look. Here now. How these 250 look different? Can we get some more for $50? Here. How these $250 they look different. But just take out the rest of the money out of my bag. I say you want the next one and liquor with it. I just say you want the next one. Because I don't know she come and create excitement for me for. I just take out the rest of $50 out of my bag. And say what happened lady, you want the next one? My sister said there is more where that come from. But I tell you what, she didn't know when I go on, you know. Remember, you know, and she check me in and she spot checking a 3 woman come now, you know, 3 black woman come now, you know. The other lady where I do the spot check, where I make sure I say the other woman count good, she did it. Here the next one where I check if the money fake. No ma'am, don't feel away, bitch. I feel away. I feel away. Walmart, I feel away. You can tell me about, don't feel no way. No. Yes, me feel away. You know why me feel away? You see, if me did white, me sad to say, she would have expect say me could have so much money. But she don't know me, she don't know say a spy, she don't see a little black girl come with a tree trolley a cash out and she see cash out, she turn eat that and she black, you know. But true society don't embed it in our mind already say. We not have so much money, we not push out tree trolley out of Walmart. Error. Don't feel away. I feel away. I feel away. Me just ball out for there. Cause me I know that everywhere me go, me make everybody know say I'm Jamaican. And when them trouble me now, me make them know say I'm Jamaican. Hot man, I sweat now. Me don't understand it. Listen, yes, when me there foreign, me act nice and decent and carry myself good. When I twang me, I'll twang back pan them. Them don't know where I come from, nobody don't know nothing. If you don't know me, you don't know me. Yes, when they piss me off and the Jamaican lick out of me, it can't come out. Error. Don't feel away. I say I feel away. Me say me feel that way. Me feel away, lady. Because you have the log line right there, so you see the tree cat already and done excitement. You come check money 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and about $150 look more than next $50. But just take up more than $50 them and say, see more $50 yeah. I feel away. Don't feel away. Me don't feel away. Walmart, I feel away. Me don't feel away already. So you tell me now if you don't feel away. I feel away. If you don't feel away, say me feel away. No ma'am, don't feel away. I feel away. Me don't feel away already. Feel away, yes? Oh, she come check and one black woman. Me say bun me see man. Me say one black woman, but she don't expect say her next black woman to have so much money. I feel away. I feel away. Lady, I feel away. She did explain. I'm just getting dirty behavior. She did that twang and I said, no man, this is the. I said, I don't care what you said, I feel away. Lady, I feel away. Lady, I feel away. I don't care, I feel away. Mr. Jamaica just come out of me. Mr. Lady, I don't care where you want to say, I feel away. But no, I don't feel that one the OP. Sometimes people don't sooner and them racial profile all the while. Because from your black, you're not supposed to push out too much trolley and you're not supposed to have so much cash. Them turn eat, them are going like say no normal. Me feel away, lady. Me feel away. Me tell her, my friend come with me, she shame like that, come and stop singing. Say, I feel away. Lady, I don't care what you want to say. Lady, I feel away. The lady that even understand me. When me chop out the Jamaican pan and the pot of them start fly out of my mouth. She turn idiot, she don't know where me I tell her, I say, come here, done her in a patwa. And I said, big dirty woman and class her up and she know, you know, ma'am, I'm sorry, I don't expect, I don't want, it wasn't meant for you to feel away. I feel away. I feel that way. She never expect me to have so much money, because I'm black. Argument done. I don't care how she want to put it or how she want to say it. If it was some white people, and she's still 2 white girls or some white people, she not come kill up herself and double check and kill up herself and hold up the line to check if the money real or the money fake. She not do it because in her mind she already say, she already look and see white people, so them have it, so them rich, them supposed to have it. My response, I feel away. Same way so. Somebody say, but people is still like that here in Jamaica. Them dig up my bag. Them dig up my handbag in a Price Mart at Kingston through my black. Price Mart, why you do it? Price Mart, the lady said they dig up her bag through she black. Talk your mind, dark and lovely. Talk your mind. You see there, the lady said, True she black when I dig up her bag. I feel away. Yeah. Outside, I'm bro. See this something about me, see? Anyway, guys, we're not made the woman disturb a piece tonight.
But of course, Spice have all right for feel away. Yeah, and as me say, though she may be laughing after the fact, I am quite sure it was very disrespectful, right? Because how can you judge somebody because of the color of them skin? You understand what I say? And this is something that is very common in the States. You understand? People look at you and them judge you by your appearance. Them judge you by the color of your skin. And them not know you none at all. Right? And things like that definitely need to stop. But it is not new. It doesn't only happen to Spice. It happens to everybody if you happen to walk inside a store where one of them racist people there. You understand? It is just the truth. Me gonna ask you a question. If you're living in the States or Europe or wherever, right? Have you ever felt like you have been racially profiled just because of the color of your skin? Talk to me down in the comment section and tell me about the incident. I'll be looking for your comment. Alright? Watch on, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed, please consider clicking that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. My God.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.